We are in an Uber going to a chef competition?
Chef Culinary Challenge.
Culinary Challenge.
Yeah.
I get to be race plus one. Let's eat and mingle in the flesh.
Yeah. You get to eat and mingle with me.
Always. Oh, which one is this again?
Pork and crab siomai.
Okay.
Coconut crab amal. Very good.
Gotta wait for this foam to leave me alone. This is a passion fruit mojito minus the rub.
Nice. Did this concoction.
Unless you want the rub.
No.
Oh, yes. Oh, you don't want the rub?
These are the famous buns.
These buns, barbecue pork buns, they were here from day one. It's like one of the best items here. You ready?
Okay guys, so I am finally here at Eric's restaurant. He was definitely gonna kill me if I didn't stop by. Pineapple bun, it's a bolo bao. I already opened it for photos ops. But this item has been here on day one. It's very different than the normal pineapple bun. The way that they made it is that it's not just crusted on the top, but it's crusted all over. Smells divine. So let's try this. I put all the filling and squished it the wrong way, but let's see. Yo, this is giving me croissant vibes. Pork inside is so tender. Look how flaky it is.
Chicken is on my lap.
Yeah. And look, there's no crumbles. Like, this is why it's famous. Like, R&D is place to go for this. Say hi. What? I'm also going to try this. This chicken is so tender. This chicken is super tender. This is salmon with a scallion oil.
The details, why you're here. It's my pleasure to introduce the CEO of West Park Foundation, Doug Earl, please, to say a few words.
Thank you, Joel, and thank you everyone for joining us at this kickoff event for our Culinary Showdown on November 2nd.
Can anybody here love fried rice?
Hi.
Anybody here allergic to rice? Good. This is just a preview of what we're gonna do. You know, as Joe say, you get that 5 demo from 5 Masterchefs, or 4 Masterchefs. Claudio was not really that good, but anyway. And Mark, where's he nowadays? Supermarket. Anyway, in my team, you get free insults. Any other team, you get nothing. Tell you what, you gotta raise $2,500, right? That's all you have to do. Now, you go to Park's restaurant, that's how much it costs you to get a sake. So, you get to be with him. So it's a bargain, tell me, it's a bargain. Raise that $2,500, be a team, and if you want to win, bring another $2,500 and bribe the judges. All right, let's start, Eric.
Great. So, just gonna be the informative one here. Alvin will crack the jokes. If you want to learn about cooking, it's from me. So, we're gonna make R&D's signature fried rice. Who's had it before? Actually, it's a good show of hands. Great. None of you guys are dying here. This is fantastic. I see one lady over there. A couple raise their hands. All right. So, what makes our fried rice unique is that one, it's the rice. We use coconut rice. We don't just use plain jasmine steamed rice with water. One, it's for the flavor, but two, it's more so that when you eat this rice, which you'll all get to try later tonight, all the grains are individual and separate. And this happens because of the fat from the coconut milk. So it's double important because when you're using the wok, you want to capture that wok, that wok smoke, that wok flavor. And with the fatty rice, it actually helps absorb the smoke much better. So a few ingredients. We do use 8 different kinds of mushrooms in our fried rice. We'll just add a little bit of black pepper, some garlic, shallots, and then we'll also start off with a little bit of mushroom XO. So this fried rice is completely vegetarian. So instead of using a typical XO sauce, in case you guys don't know what that is, it's usually like dried shellfish. So you have your hama, your dried scallop. Ours is made with nori and shiitake mushrooms and some dried chilies. This has a lot of natural umami, obviously with your dried mushrooms. And then to boost the mushroom flavor, we actually have a porcini butter as well. So we take dried porcini. Okay. We take dried porcini and then infuse it in brown butter, and you get this super nutty, delicious butter that adds a beautiful smokiness to the rice. So I'm just gonna start wok frying the rice, and Alvin can crack some joke.
Right. Well, the thing everybody's saying here, we all have different ways of frying rice, right? So everybody's gonna ask, where's the egg? Right? Where's the egg? Why is there no egg? Why is there no egg? You know why? It's vegetarian. Makes sense. This egg is no longer vegetarian. Unless you consider an egg not.
Use a lamb.
So usually what the egg is there to provide a bit of space when you fry the rice so the rice don't stick together, okay? But if you cook it with coconut milk, you gotta be very careful because you got some fat, you got some sugar into the rice. So if you don't work fast, you'll burn it, okay? When you burn things, I'm not happy. Head chef's not happy, they yell at you, they throw things at you, but don't worry, you're near a hospital. So,
It smells so good.
you can see he's trying to walk very high heat. He's flipping it, okay, so that prevents the rice from sticking. And then, of course, one of our secret ingredients is for a lot of umami. Anybody know what umami is? That's not your mother, okay, but anyway. We use Chinese olive leaf, okay, so people are going to get smart and say, you know, can we use some other leaves? Can we use the maple leaves or something like that? Yes, you can, because the way they play it, it's served to be fried. I'm so old, I actually seen them win a Stanley Cup, and not in my dreams. All right, so it's almost done. So you can see that we're incorporating, when you fry rice, it's very important to get high heat, basically to dry everything up, so all the rice are separated, okay? You don't want a sticky mess. And the second thing is, you know, you want to infuse a lot of the flavors, okay? So every single range tastes delicious. And you can eat, I mean, you can tell, you know, and don't eat every single grain at once because that's a very slow process of eating rice, okay? So he's adding on some more mushrooms, a lot of mushrooms, because that's going to provide a lot of umami. Yes. And you know, all that mushroom, that's how come we can charge, you know, $45 for that rice. So a lot of you see the vegetables being put on glass, and the reason is, you know, we want a bit of freshness, we want the vegetables to remain crispy, all right? And also it adds volume, okay, so mix your portion a little bigger, okay? We got one.
Okay, so what makes ours unique? Yeah, we use 8 different kinds of mushrooms. That's really cool, but we also top it with our Singapore crunch. So this is like a cereal that we make. It's infused with brown butter, curry leaves, Thai chili, and it adds a really dynamic texture to the fried rice. So when you taste ours, hey, start to scoop, what the fuck are you doing? When you taste ours, it has a very unique texture and flavor, because I find that when you get fried rice from other restaurants, by the time you've done the bowl or even halfway through, it's just one note, one texture, it kind of gets a bit boring. This keeps the fried rice very fun and exciting. And that's why I love our fried rice so much more.
And you invented it, that's All right.
Somebody can have a monster portion.
Okay, we done? We done?
Yes, and now we're going to start portioning off, and then you guys can enjoy.
All right, so we have a famous YouTuber here. Women. And you know, when I see you, I love that smile you have every time you eat the food. You know, that smile. And you know something, when you eat this, that smile, I mean, I know that shit you're eating on camera. This smile will be real. Okay? It will be a sincere smile. Okay? Not even that, that two for $1, I can tell you. So, let's see that smile. Let's see that smile. That YouTube smile.
I got so nervous. I love this fried rice. So.
See how sincere it is. And
Your wife, you know.
Yeah, she's the one. She's the only reason I'm watching the YouTube. I mean.
You get the whole bowl?
You get the whole bowl. All right. Well, yeah, to the free event before anybody.
This is so good.
Fine man is getting you something. But this is a video. Halfway was out. I just want to experience. I just want to share this experience with someone. Wait, you're not. Oh, you want?
No. What is it? Can you show
Wait, hold on. You're not.
This
Dude, I've done it way too many times, man.
is world's hottest hot sauce.
I've done it so many times.
What can you take after you try it? What can you take to like?
Yo, Ricky, let's go.
Ray, come on.
We've all done it, by the way. All of us have done it.
All of us have done it. Ray, are you a man? It's it. I'll do it.
All right. One drop. That's
Let's
it.
go, Ray.
Give it to Ray first. Hey, you can. I'll do it. No, do it together. I'll do it together. Come in here.
Can we kiss after?
By the way, this is the hottest hot sauce in the world.
Cheers, bro. Oh my god. Oh, you guys are fucked. You guys are fucked. No milk. Give it a sec. Can we do water?
Oh my gosh.
Fix it a little bit.
Is that hot or what?
Yeah, it's kicking in. I can talk.
Oh shit.
Hello. Ni hao. One drop. I know, it's no joke, bro.
It's like your saliva keeps like.
Pretty strong.
Dude, your ears are gonna start ringing, your arms are gonna start tingling.
Why didn't you tell us this before?
Oh, dude, I warned you, it's hot, man. Is there a waiver?
He's sweating.
You're a real one, though. You guys got mad respect.
Nah, I can't make you pull it on.
It's
Look at all the fans.
Hot. You want to try it? Flip it.
Hold it.
I can't. I'll be
Flip it. Yo, flip it. Go on.
Colin, I'm telling you today, dude, it took me a year and a half to heal my stomach.
Think of the views, man. Hot sauce with
Telling you,
Masterchef.
these
Think of
guys
the
are
views.
crazy.
Let's go.
We just did the world's hottest.
Holy sauce, man.
Yeah, it's
Are you struggling? You're like actually sweating.
It's gonna be at least 5 more minutes.
I smell your BO.
At least 5 more minutes of it getting worse. Yeah, it's no joke. Yeah, you guys got some ice water over there.
They might just need a bowl of bao or something.
Like seriously, because actually this, when you open this, it has a pamphlet being like, if you get it on your skin, rub it with alcohol. Because it's like so intense.
It takes all its seeds from the pepper? Or how does
It's pure capsaicin.
Where's that from?
From hell. Like rinse it in your mouth before swallowing it.
Are you okay?
Rick is dying right now.
Don't. You're crying.
Milk for you?
Oh,
I got a bad phone call, that's why. That's milk?
Oh, really?
Soy milk.
Ricky.
I'm just dipping my lips in it.
Ricky, are you okay?
I'm sorry.
Oh, you actually had milk.
Hold on. Okay, so we're gonna crack some jokes to get this out of your system.
Yo, just tell me the answer.
Okay, I
I
asked,
can't deal with this right now.
what is the cow with 2 legs? And it's lean beef.
Oh, lean beef.
And then what is the cow with no legs?
Ground beef.
There you go.
Yeah.
You're supposed to laugh.
Oh, I can't right now.
He's so mad. We also have to eat kanji to cleanse our soul. Did you even have a soul?
It left my body when I had the
the hot sauce. It wasn't even hot sauce. It was like literally just pepper extract.
It was juice from hell.
And it came in a tube, like a test tube. Like, what hot sauce comes in a test tube? That was like insane. I don't feel like that's safe to eat and ingest in a human body. It doesn't make sense. But I did it. I don't recommend it. It was so bad. But surprisingly, it didn't last very long. I was expecting it to kind of like linger for a longer time. But I think it was only a drop. So, I don't know. I think the most painful was probably a minute in, and then it lasted till, what did you say, 10 minutes?
You were sweating.
I wasn't sweating, I was crying. I was crying a lot.
Yep, we're eating some delicious veggies after
I need it.
after the hot sauce incident. And we're gonna eat some congee.
I think it's exactly what I need.
Extra garlic. Something soupy. So
It
bomb.
hits so hard.
Yeah,
It's so
right?
good.